Have you ever wanted to get behind the wheel of an exotic sports car like one of these? How about driving them on a 1.9-mile professional racetrack? What if I told you there's a place in Jersey you can go and do just that? This is Xtreme Xperience at New Jersey Motorsports Park. This incredible program gives you the opportunity to ride in or drive the exotic sports car of your dreams. No experience is necessary to book your experience, as their professional instructors will teach you how to drive the racing line. Let's take a look at the cars they had available at their most recent event. First is the Lamborghini, with one of the fastest 0 to 60 speeds in 2.5 seconds. Driving experiences start at $399 and ride-alongs start at $199. Next is the Ferrari, worth the most out of the fleet at $350,000. Driving experiences start at $399 and ride-alongs start at $199. Then we have the Porsche 911 GT3. Driving experiences start at $399 and ride-alongs start at $199. Next Porsche is the popular 718 Cayman GT4 RS. Driving experiences start at $299. Moving on, we have the Corvette with the highest max horsepower of 670. Driving experiences start at $299. Now, my personal favorite is the Nissan GT-R, with a 0 to 60 speed matching the Porsche Cayman. Driving experiences start at $249. Lastly is the ride-along vehicle, the Charger Hellcat, with a max horsepower of 707. Ride-alongs start at $79. Booking a driving experience in one of these vehicles gets you a pre-drive instructional classroom session and 3 laps around the track. And Xtreme Xperience has group packages available as well if you want to drive the whole fleet. Book your next experience at xtremexperience.com and follow us for more information on everything coming to New Jersey Motorsports Park in Millville, New Jersey.